Hi beauties, what is up? Today is BoxyCharm day. Got it right here. We're gonna see what's in it. I already peeked in it. Couldn't wait. You know how it goes. Anyways, let's talk about the product that stood out to me from last month. If BoxyCharm is your thing, if you like these BoxyCharm videos, give this video a thumb up. Go ahead and subscribe. You know, leave me a comment down below. You know how it goes, guys. The product that stood out to me the most was by a company I've never tried before. You know, I am not into lip oils, and this one shocked me a lot because I really kept going back to this and kept, you know, just like returning to it and using it, which was a shock to me. I haven't tried lip oils in a really long time, and obviously with time has changed things and formulas. So this was a shock to me, and I couldn't put it down, you guys. I kept using it and I really like it. But this is the Basic Beauty lip oil that I got last month, and it's called Summer. It has a, you can see that it's pink, but it doesn't leave any tint on your lips. The reason why I really like this is because it's not sticky, it's not goopy, it's not too, like when I think of a lip oil, I'm literally thinking about oil on your lips. Obviously that's not the case, but sometimes I literally think what the title is of something or a product, and I just kept going back to it. It's not sticky, it's not goopy, it doesn't get all over the place. This is great to use even as a lip mask. Like, I tend to use this at night, overnight. When I wake up, my lips are great. They're not chapped, they don't feel funny, they're super hydrated. I can really compare this to the KKW lip gloss, but it's a little thinner. Like, the KKW lip gloss is a little more thicker, but again, I love the KKW lip gloss, which is another shock because the formula is not heavy, it's not goopy, it's not gunky, it doesn't stick to everywhere, you know, like your hair doesn't get stuck to it, it's not stringy. So this, you guys, is really nice. If you haven't tried these, I do highly recommend them if you're into lip oils. Very simple, very basic, just basic beauty, and I really enjoy this. So this was my pick for last month. Let's get into this month's box. Alright, so this month's box theme is Go All Out, and the first item in here is the Laura Geller, the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. It runs for $45. I've never tried eyeshadow by Laura Geller before. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm probably not going to use this. I'm probably going to gift this because it's not speaking to me. It doesn't look like something I would use. It's super basic, super neutral. This palette can really be for someone who is just starting makeup, or someone who just is into the simple colors, the one and go type of colors, the neutral colors, just a little bit of shimmer, really natural type of like no makeup type of thing, makeup no makeup type of look. This is what the packaging looks like. It's super just like spring and basic neutral colors, but that's the unit carton. I'll show you inside. I'm gonna be honest with you, when I opened this, you guys, it reminded me of like old Avon makeup, like the packaging. That's just what it reminded me of. But it's a multi-finish eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like, and it comes with a mirror, and it is, guys, it's super duper basic, just like all your neutrals, a little bit of mauve, a little pop of like a green down here. That's about it. It kind of also reminds me of the aesthetic of Artist Couture. That's what it also kind of reminded me of. But this is definitely not going to be my cup of tea, so I'm probably going to gift this. $45. I'll read the description for you. If you like things like this, it'll be perfect for you, but this is definitely not my cup of tea, and I'm not going to try to use something that I know is just going to sit there when I know I can give it to someone who will put it to use and it not be wasted. But this is a 12 shade Endless Ways. This pressed eyeshadow palette features velvety matte and shimmer suede finishes to create perfect looks for day and night. The silky texture blends effortlessly on the lids and delivers comfortable crease-proof color that stays put Want a smoky eye? Done. How about a soft natural effect? Done. Achieve a different easy look for every mood and occasion. Again, like I just told you, you know, type of like the one and done, the soft natural effects, the little bit of a smoky eye, things of that nature. Runs for $45. I'm not going to be using this, so I'm just going to pass it along. The next thing I got was the Lavaa Beauty Flirty Lash Set. Now this I chose as my one product that I can choose on my account every month. This runs for $54. It is a new launch by Lavaa Beauty. It is the Flirty Lash Set that includes a best-selling 3D mink flirty lash, a clear and latex-free brush, on eyelash adhesive, and a gold applicator. So it is legit a straight up eyelash kit. I was really late on choosing what I wanted for this month's box, so it was this and something else that was still available for me to choose. I chose this because I know that I can give it to my little cousin. She wears falsies and they look really, really pretty on her. So I knew that she would put this to use and she would appreciate it. The other item that was left to pick, I knew I was going to use it. I think it was a skincare item that I just wasn't interested in. So I just chose this for her. But it is super pretty and I know that she will put it to use. So this thing runs for $54, you guys. This is the most expensive item in my box this month. The next item that I got is the Frank Body Booty Drops Firming Body Oil. This runs for $17.95. Drop it like you're hot. Booty Drops is a firming body oil to help smooth you over. Each drop is packed with caffeine to firm. Guarana, I have no idea how to pronounce that word, but anyways, it's a G word. I'll put it on the bottom so you can see what I'm talking about. To energize, carrot root extract to hydrate, plus grapeseed and jojoba oils to soften skin and get you glowing. Drop it straight onto your booty for soft and firm skin, or mix with your moisturizer for extra perks. This is interesting. The packaging is interesting. It's coffee-based skincare for all babes. It says pop, lock, and booty drop, booty boosting caffeine, feel supple and hydrated, feel tighter and firmer. It gives you the ingredients on it. This is a 1 ounce bottle. I do like the packaging, it's super cute, but this is what it looks like. That is super cute. It's got the dropper. I've never used anything like this before. So this is going to be interesting. I know I'm not going to use this now. I will test it out in a couple of months and use it. Yeah, but it says squeeze 3 to 4 drops into your moisturizer or use directly on dry skin. Rub all over your body and use daily. Okay. It's interesting. Again, I've never used anything like this before. I've heard of Frank Body before, so it's not something that I entirely have not heard of. The next thing that I got is the Clara's New York Stimulating Retinol Facial Serum. This runs for $24.99, 96% natural. It is for all skin types. It is 1 fluid ounce. It is a blend of retinol and vitamin E oils. Intensively stimulates and moisturizes quenched skin. Retinol provides anti-aging effects by acting as a targeted treatment, promoting skin cell renewal and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Antioxidant-rich vitamin E hydrates while providing anti-aging benefits such as improved cellular strength and elasticity. Use daily for a brighter complexion. Again, you guys, like, I really do not go crazy with skincare stuff because I don't have a lot of skincare issues, and if I use too many things, my skin will freak out and break out. So it's kind of like the reverse for me. So I'm really, really careful with what I use on my face. I don't know, maybe later down the line this would be something that I would try out. Right now I'm just using 2 different types of cleansers on my face, and really that's about it, and my Glow Recipe moisturizer. Like, I'm intrigued, I'm interested, so I'll try this one out. And then last but not least is the Manna Beauty Hydration Happy Face Mist. This runs for $19. I do like the packaging on this. This is very, very pretty. But this also reminds me of something that like a Japanese makeup company would do as packaging, or like, you know, from Japan or China, or just like some of their stuff like Touch and Soul, some stuff like that. But this is Soothe and Refresh Tired Skin with a mist that preps skin for a hydrating base before makeup application. This mighty mix of minerals wakes up skin, leaving you ready to take on the rest of the day. I'm definitely going to be using this. The other one that I got a couple of months ago, the Rose Water Setting Spray, I actually really like this, you guys. It is fantastic. It really does help to keep my makeup in place for the most part. And even though I really don't like rose water, this doesn't have like a very strong odor to it. It kind of like when you spray it, you could just smell it and then it kind of dissipates and it doesn't linger. So I really like this. I'm almost halfway through this bottle, so I'm really enjoying it. So I'm definitely going to be trying this one and add it into my collection to see how it does. And that bright orange one, that one doesn't give me an allergic reaction either, because sometimes setting sprays tend to give me like little bumps and textures on my face, and that one doesn't, and I'm really happy about that. So I'll be trying this one out too. So let's see what will be my favorite product for next month. But yeah, you guys, that's my BoxyCharm for this month, the month of August. I'm gonna leave my total value of my box right here like I always do. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you got this month from BoxyCharm. I know a couple of you guys have been telling me that you guys have canceled your subscriptions. That makes me sad because for the most part, I'm always satisfied and happy with mine. So I hope they start, you know, getting even like more better where you guys can just resubscribe and, you know, get some good stuff. Right now the pop-up shop is open and I bought a couple of things. I bought a $50 palette by Ace Beauty, you guys, for $9. Like, where are you gonna find that sort of discount from? If anything, if you don't like your box that much, at least stay for the pop-ups and the add-ons, because you can save so much money on the makeup that they provide through BoxyCharm website. It is just amazing, you guys. Yeah, those are my 5 items that I got in this month's box. I'm excited to try a few things, and then a couple of the stuff that I've mentioned I will be giving away. So I love you guys. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Please be kind to one another and please be kind to yourself. And I will see you in a couple of days. Love you. Bye.